out here at the bee yard. We're dealing with a problem, and we're coming out of winter right now, but look at them flowers. You know, for Arizona, we look pretty beautiful. Mesquite's ugly as ever, but it's green. Well, you come over here, you see all these are my makeshift hive stands. We got a nice ram right here, a couple other ones. Each one, and then we got one over there, represents a hive that we've lost this winter. So that's quite a bit for a small bee yard like us. So I'm going to be tuning for mites today. Thought I'd bring you along to try it out and to give me someone to talk to because I'm out here by myself. These are africanized bees, so you always have to be careful. You always have your best friend, Smokey, if we can get any smoke. Don't die on me. There we go, come on. Yeah, the weeds are growing up pretty good. So, it's whatever. We're gonna knock some of this stuff down. Give them some room. See, we already got a couple buddies here. If it gets blurry, I'm sorry. It's probably because there's bees in the way. They start to attack. But we love them either way. We are going to go through them. See how homies are doing. Okay. Let's try this out for size. About this. Okay, I believe that I'm not trying to steal your stuff. Okay, good. I'll leave that for a second. Nope. That doesn't make a difference. Might help. Not like the camera, guys. Sorry. Do not like you. These are mite away strips. See that? What we're doing, clean some mites. So we have to scoop them up. One's gonna go right there. And there. And I let it out. You know, they're sitting there pissed off at you, but imagine they're just like people who just ignore them. That is official. How you doing right there? Shot, take it. top.